Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, we are doing my February singles swag unboxing. How ironic is it that this ends up falling on Valentine's Day, which, by the way, you guys, happy Valentine's Day. I really hope that you have had an awesome Friday and that you are getting to do something sweet or fun or whatever it may be with your significant other, your spouse, your friends, just with yourself, whatever it may be. I hope that your day is amazing. Today is actually also my dad and my best friend Casey's birthdays today, so Valentine's Day has always been more about birthdays than like the holiday of love for me, but regardless, I hope your day is awesome, and without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this unboxing. Okay, you guys, so jumping right on into this, I do want to say first things first, this makeup tutorial was my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. It is live. You can watch it. I will link it up here. I think it turned out fab, and I'm so excited because, girl, these false eyelashes are doing it for me. Your girl hasn't worn falsies in a minute, and the bad bitch is out, and she is here. Hallelujah. But regardless, jumping into this unboxing for February, I will say, you guys, I got this box on January 31st. Like, that is one thing I will say about this subscription service, is they are on it with the shipping, you guys, which for a filming purpose is absolutely amazing because I'm able to film it and get it up even earlier in the month than, say, like when BoxyCharm ships it about mid-month, just because, you know, that means you have to film, edit, and upload almost in the same day to have it up as soon as possible. So let's jump into it. As you guys know, you just open it up and the card is on the top, and then it's just wrapped in black tissue paper that says Singles Swag all over it. This is what it looks like. Is that a cookie? It's a cookie. Alright, so I'm just going to set this down and we'll just kind of go through it together. As you guys know, the card that comes in there typically has something about how you can win your next box for free, you can refer friends to get money, blah blah blah, and this has all the products on it. Again, this, I love the fact that this does tell me what the retail value of my box is. This box is supposed to retail for $202. And so, yeah, I think that's nice because I love not having to do the math. So, okay, so the first thing in this box, oh my gosh, it is so soft, is this beanie right here. This is the Blue Revival Knit Twist Pom-Pom Beanie. It retails for $36. And yeah, oh my gosh, this is actually very, very soft. And it has the brand logo right here and this little poof on the top. This is exceptionally cozy. This is way cozier than the beanie I got in the first box. I didn't actually get it in the box, like I ordered it off of there. This is really soft, really cozy. I love the little pom-pom aspect. Like I told you guys in that video, I'm not a big beanie wearer, but I really do like this one. I like that it's gray, so it'll match a bunch of stuff. The funny part is, you guys, it's really not even cold here. Like, I technically don't need this, but it's adorable. Very happy about that. It's just so stinking cozy, you guys. Ooh, okay, off to a good start. I'm very excited. All right, so the next thing in the box is this Brilliance New York Essential Hydration Argan Oil Repairing Hair Mask. This retails for $45. Okay, so it definitely doesn't smell as good as my macadamia one. It kind of smells a little bit like baby powder, I'm not gonna lie, and if you can see in there, it actually has like a looser texture. Oh, I do not want it to come out of the container. It has a more runny consistency than the other masks that I typically use. I do like the packaging. Like, I think the packaging is really aesthetically pleasing. And yeah, I'm excited to use this. I will definitely let you guys know down in the description bar kind of what I think of it. I'll use it before this video goes live. I'm excited to try it. I don't like the way it smells as much, but hey, if it works, then it works. And I typically also put like my Hue leave-in conditioner in my hair. I don't know why I pronounce it like that, but moving on. So the smell probably won't linger too bad, but like I said, I'll let you guys know down in the description box. Okay, you guys, so the next thing in the box are these stand-up socks. They're called I Love Me Cruise Socks. They retail for $18, and essentially they are just cruise socks, and they say I love me on the bottom. I think this is absolutely adorable. You can never have too many pairs of socks, you guys. Now, I will say I typically wear like no-show socks because I wear like sneakers or something like that, but I do love higher socks under like my Uggs or my higher boots or anything like that, or just to wear around the house. I think these are absolutely adorable. They feel pretty good, and yeah, I think that's a really cute little thing to have to be all cozy in. Okay, so the next thing is this, I think it's supposed to be this Lily Sky 3-piece beaded bracelet set with charms. Whatever is in here retails for $58. It says perfect for work, weekend, and everything in between. These chic slip-on style bracelets with metal beads and accompanying charms will add style to your look all year round. Wear each bracelet individually or as a stack, and it says you are stronger than you think. So just opening up this container really quickly. Oh, okay. So it says you are stronger than you think in there, and the bracelets are kind of wrapped all on the sides. I'm going to pull them out. Okay. So it says you are stronger than you think on the white one. This one just looks like this with a little charm. This one has like a blue marble finishing and just has like the winky eye thing. And then this one is blue and gold and just has the Lily Star logo on it. These are quite cute. I will say these do feel kind of like costumey. Not nearly as nice as the necklace I received in my last box, but you can pretty much wear them alone or kind of stack them like this. While I do think this is kind of cute and I think the message is very nice, I am actually not going to keep this. Those are not my style. I won't wear them. Like I said, they feel kind of costumey in the sense that they kind of like tug on your arm hairs a little bit, if you know what I mean. I am most likely going to put these in a giveaway for someone just because I do like the message and it is pretty cute. This could be adorable for someone that likes to wear more costume type jewelry, which is perfectly fine. I am also not a big bracelet wearer, you guys, you know this, so it just makes no sense for me to hold on to this, but this was in here. Do I necessarily think that this is worth $58? No, but it's not a bad item. Moving right on along, I have a refreshing face mist. Ooh. Okay, so this is the Goddess by Monica Dar Refreshing Face Mist. This is what it looks like. This retails for $24, and it says, soothe and refresh tired skin with this hydrating mist designed to wake up and moisturize your skin to provide a fresh, healthy look all day long. Mist can be applied prior to makeup application as a hydrating base or on top of makeup. Well, so I really liked the Monica Dar body scrub that I got in a FabFitFun box, and so much so that I purchased it, as you guys saw, in my last single swag subscription. So I want to see what this smells like, and if it smells good, I'll squirt it on my face, but I have to check first. Ooh! Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it smells kind of like the champagne charcoal scrub, but it also has an underlying tone of NyQuil to it. I'm gonna spray it on my face, I think. It's a pretty fine mist. I'm not even squirting. It's like it is so fine that my fan is like blowing it away. I can face this way. Ooh, that is lovely. Okay, so the last thing in the box is actually a book, which I'm very excited about because I do really enjoy reading. This book is called Eat, Pray, Love Made Me Do It. Life Journeys Inspired by the Best-Selling Memoir. This book retails for $16. It is a New York Times bestseller that showcases true stories inspired by one of the most iconic and beloved best-selling books of all time, Eat, Pray, Love. This candid and captivating collection recounts a diverse range of experiences and journeys, sometimes hilarious, sometimes heartbreaking, but always deeply inspiring. Ooh. Oh, I'm very excited for this, you guys. Oh, man. And it is. It, like, has different, like, I guess, short stories from different people. Oh, this will be a good thing to kind of like read a short story kind of like a day or every now and then when you feel like picking it up. So I'm very excited for this. If you guys want me to do like a mini review, like read the book and kind of let you know my thoughts on it, let me know down below. I've never done one of those on my channel, but like I said, I do love to read, and I can read fairly quickly. So just let me know, like, if you want me to kind of do a little mini book review on this, different for my channel, but I definitely wouldn't mind. I'm excited for this because, again, I think this would be something just kind of great to have. It's always good if it's one of those ones that, like, you know, those like hit you where the heart is, like relatable kind of short storybooks. Those always get me going, you guys. I love them. Okay, and so now the last thing in the book, technically, because I didn't mess with it already, is this cookie. I love that it came in bubble wrap. Okay, and this is a Corso's cookie. It's a love heart shaped shortbread cookie. This retails for $5, and it says, love yourself while indulging in this delicious shortbread cookie, handmade in the US of A. Yo. It definitely looks like it's probably going to taste pretty standard, but I really do want to eat it. Gotta get like a bit with the icing on it. It tastes like exactly what you think it would taste like. And so I'm not really mad at it. I don't know that I'd actually eat it all, but I kind of wish it was softer. Like, it's quite crunchy. So yeah, you guys, I definitely do think this is better than the little brownie things I got last month. Okay, you guys, but that is all for today's video. That is everything that I received in this month's box. And like I mentioned in the beginning, this box retailed for $202. If I remove the price of the bracelet set, because I'm not going to be keeping that, it did bring my retail value down to $144. Still not a bad price. And honestly, you guys, I was really satisfied with this box. I actually think that this box was better than my January box. I'm just excited to have the book. I think that the accessory pieces were better, so the socks and the hat were better than what I received in my first one. And I'm excited about the hair mask to give it a try, and the face mist. I'm really excited that the face mist doesn't smell like rose, because you guys know how I feel about that smell. But yeah, you guys, overall, very, very pleased, pretty excited about this, you know. It's got me feeling good being single on Valentine's Day. Well, kinda. You can only ask but for so much. Anyways, you guys, that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on this subscription service down below. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. That really helps me out. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You guys, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And I can honestly say that I never thought I would be talking about 1,000 subscribers. So if you do enjoy my content, I would love it if you helped me reach my goal and subscribe to my channel. You can also hit that notification bell if you would like to be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And feel free to come follow me on Instagram as well at Alyssa and Pope. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!